How to add shipping on TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you and talk about how you will be able to add shipping on your TikTok Shop. Now, currently in our seller center over here, to be able to find information about shipping, you can select shipping over here on the left side and click on shipping option. Now, depending on where you are or where your region is, the standard shipping over here will be the different shipping companies in your area. So in my case, I have this following shipping options over here. Now, in some areas, you will be able to add your own shipping options. But for me, this is the only one I have, the standard shipping. In your products or when you're adding your products or modifying them, you can scroll down to the shipping options at the bottom over here. So let's select a category over here so we can view it. You could select a specific shipping section or a specific shipping option over here, as you can see under delivery option. It could be default, or you could also click on custom, which is our standard shipping fee over here, or whatever options you have under your shipping settings over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you consider leaving a like and subscribe, thanks for watching.